So, how's she doing?
Better.
She seems better.
I just wish I knew what happened.
Look, we've flown hundreds of missions. This was Windshear's first one. You should have seen Snotlout when we first started. He couldn't fly 10 feet without somehow setting himself on fire.
Did I hear my name? Were you guys talking about me? I know you were. I'm gonna be in my hut. It's got a great view. Come check it out.
We just need to get Windshear some training. Start with simple flying drills, formations, get her used to what it's like to work with other dragons.
I don't know. I think I just need to keep her away from other dragons while we're here.
Well, now that's gonna be kind of tough if you become a dragon rider.
What? Why would I become...
Heather, that's part of why we asked you here. Just let me work with you guys. You see? Nothing to it. Let's try a good old-fashioned wingman formation. Toothless and I are gonna slow down and play the part of Windshear's wingman. We're here for cover. If anything comes up beside or behind you. Ugh. Hey. Not bad at all. All right, your turn. You and Windshear take our wing. Pull back harder.
I am! Believe me!
Toothless, no! Toothless. Where's Toothless? I have to get to him.
Hiccup? Where are you going?
Come on, bud. You gotta help me out here. Be the bigger dragon. Okay, so that didn't go quite as planned, but I promise that tomorrow...
There's not gonna be a tomorrow.
Oh, Heather...
Clearly, this was a mistake. We just don't fit in here.
What are you talking about? You fit in great. Besides, do you really want to do that to fish legs?
No, of course not. But it's obvious that Windshear can't work with the other dragons, and someone is gonna get hurt. I knew this wouldn't work. It's just better if we go.